Leave this to talk. The frozen turkey to talk.
Oh.
All right. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you another healthy way you can prepare your Thanksgiving turkey. Oh yes, it is Thanksgiving week in America and every household will be preparing their turkey. And this video is going to show you a tutorial on how you can prepare your yummy, delicious Thanksgiving turkey. Yeah! If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Cecelia O World YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make healthy diets. I discuss a lot about how to do different DIY, life hack, beauty hack, home decoration on budget. I talk about family, I talk about travel, anything that can save you money. Oh yes. So please check out all my videos on my YouTube channel to learn more about my channel. Okay, without further delay, what are we doing today? And I'll be using a couple of ingredients for this Thanksgiving turkey preparation. I have the Thanksgiving turkey that I will be using today. Yeah, actually I'll be doing two of these turkeys. Yeah, this is another turkey that I'll be using today. So I have a couple of ingredients here that I'll be using to marinate the turkeys. From my right here, I have the pineapple. Don't forget I said this is another healthy way to prepare your Thanksgiving turkey. I have the cucumber. I have the celery. Oh yeah. I have the carrots. Yes. I have broccoli. Yes. I have the green spring onions. Yes. And I have the shredded carrots, which I'll be using. And here I have the vegetable oil, which I'll be using to marinate the chicken. Yes. And also I have the butter, injectable butter, which is already marinated. I'll be injecting it into the turkey to make it taste so delicious. Yes. Next thing I'm going to do now is I will be marinating the turkey. Before I marinate the turkey, I will blend all the spice together. Yes. Relax, sit back. Let's enjoy today's video. I'll be adding Italian herbs, not chicken. I'm using for the two big turkey, the parsley, the curry, chopped onion, the garlic powder. I've got one. So I'm adding salt for taste. Actually, 3/4. And I'll be adding this injectable butter. And here I have the vegetable oil. Okay, can add more oil. Blended in here, and I'll be pouring here all the vegetables that will go inside the turkey, and we also go underneath the turkey pan. The carrots. Marinate the ingredients that will go inside. It starts with the first turkey. Inside the turkey. This is oil. So this is ready. I'll be putting it in the oven for 2 hours. So this is how to make your Thanksgiving turkey. I marinated the turkey and I baked the turkey at 420 Fahrenheit for 3 hours. And the turkey is ready. This is a wonderful recipe you can try out and use for your Thanksgiving turkey. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please like this video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia O. I love you all. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye for now.